People say that going camping is nothing more than spending a small fortune to live like a homeless person. Who cares what people say, right? Camping is the answer. In this video, we put together 14 next-level camping gear and gadgets that will make your next camping trip a breeze. So, without further ado, let's go! Introducing the Venti Portable Folding Fan, the viral fan that fits in your bag. With its flexible height ranging from 3.5 feet to 3.5 inches, you can take it anywhere and extend it up to 3 feet in seconds. Stay charged with its powerful 16,000 mAh built-in battery that can run up to 2 full days per charge. And it even doubles as a power bank for your cell phone. And that's not all. With 4-speed oscillation, 120-degree rotation, and a sleek design, the Venti fan is perfect for travels, work, home, or camping. Gone are the days of messy cables, as the Venti fan is totally wireless, keeping you cool wherever you go. With LED lights and a remote control for easy adjustments, you can create a warm and welcoming ambiance in any space. Don't miss out on this must-have camping gear that will keep you cool and comfortable wherever you go. Get your Venti portable folding fan today and stay cool in style. The price of this incredible gear is $69. If you're in the market for an ultra-light and compact camping chair, well, you need to check out the Helinox Chair Zero, the lightest and most compact camping chair in the world. Weighing in at just 1.1 pounds and packing smaller than a water bottle, it's perfect for easy transport in your backpack or bag. With a sturdy DAC aluminum alloy frame and durable ripstop polyester seat, this chair can hold up to 265 pounds. Setting it up is a breeze with a self-assembling bungee cord. Don't compromise on comfort during your camping adventures. Get your Helinox Chair Zero and relax in style wherever you go. The price of this baby is $149. Step up your outdoor cooking game with the Stanley Base Camp Cook Set. Stop eating mediocre camp food. This 19-piece set has everything you need to prep, cook, and clean up like a pro. Made from tough and durable 18-8 stainless steel, this cookware is scratch-proof, rust-proof, and easy to clean with just soap and water. Plus, it all nests together for space-saving convenience. The price of this indestructible gear is a cheap $90. If you want a sleeping bag that's as comfortable as your bed at home, look no further than the Big Agnes King Solomon. Designed for 2 people, this double-wide sleeping bag eliminates the need to zip 2 bags together. With Big Agnes' innovative system, you can easily attach it to your sleeping pad for a cozy night's sleep without rolling off. The adjustable drawstring and securement strap ensure stability, while the deluxe features like hand-tuck pockets, no-draft collar, and pillow barns provide ultimate comfort. Upgrade your camping sleep game with the Big Agnes King Solomon and sleep like royalty under the stars. The price of this ultra-cozy gear is $399. Struggling with flimsy camping stoves that just can't keep up with your big group? Don't worry! The Eureka Ignite Plus camping stove has got you covered. With 2 high-powered 10,000 BTU burners and a max pan capacity, you can cook for the whole crew with precision and flavor. The innovative simmer control allows for high-precision flame adjustment from a light simmer to full output, giving you full control over your campsite meals. The push-button igniter ensures fast and easy starts, and the stainless steel drip tray offers rust-free performance and easy cleanup. The price of this wonder is just $119. Upgrade your outdoor cooler game with the Titan Deep Freeze High Performance Welded Cooler. This beast of a cooler has a 36-can capacity and keeps ice frozen for up to 3.5 days. It's 100% leak-proof with a gasket and lockdown latch. The exterior is waterproof, puncture, and UV ray resistant. The deep freeze insulation with super foam and radiant heat barrier ensures maximum cooling performance. The heavy-duty base, multiple pockets, molded handles, and adjustable shoulder strap make for easy transport. The price of this bad boy is $174. Get ready to power up your outdoor adventures with the Uabeana 1000-watt portable power station. With a massive 1,038 watt-hour capacity, this solar generator is perfect for camping trips, car travel, and emergencies. With multiple ports, it can power pretty much anything that you need. It supports fast charging protocols and has multiple recharging options, including solar panels and your car. Safety is a priority with automotive-grade batteries and an intelligent BMS management system. The price of this beast is $779. Let me introduce you to one of the best Amazon hunting axes I have ever seen, the Hogue CIGX T01. This lightweight axe is perfect for both tactical and camping use. With its partial tang, skeletonized S7 tool steel head, and hand-honed edge, it's built for swift chopping and slashing tasks. Need an impact tool? The back of the head can be used for that too. The durable G10 handle scales offer a firm grip, and the included G10 sheath with powerful magnets ensures easy storage and quick access. The price of this tough guy is $278. Let's return to nature and learn to love the outdoors with the KingCamp bamboo camping table. With adjustable legs for different chair heights and a portable, lightweight design, this table is a must-have for any camping trip. Made with durable bamboo and an aluminum frame, it's corrosion-resistant, UV-resistant, and eco-friendly. With a large desktop size, it can accommodate up to 4 to 5 people, making it perfect for picnics, beach outings, and camping kitchens. The price of this is $128. Want to elevate your camping experience? Then you need to try the Biolight Headlamp. With 750 lumens of power, you can enjoy bright light that will illuminate your trails for hours. With red and white vision modes, dimmable options, and a rechargeable battery, you'll have total control over your lighting. Plus, its ergonomic and easy-to-use design allows you to adjust it with just one hand. Don't be left in the dark on your next camping adventure. Get your Biolight Headlamp today and enjoy an illuminated and thrilling camping experience. The price of this reliable gear is a well-invested $70 in discount while supplies last. Get ready for your next camping adventure with the Giriatus 7-in-1 Multitool. This high-quality multi-tool is packed with 7 functions, including a wrench, screwdrivers, knife, bottle opener, and car window breaker. Made with high-quality materials, this pocket tool is built to last. Its CNC integrated cutting process ensures accuracy and a flawless finish without sharp edges. And that's not all. This multi-tool also serves as a car emergency tool with a window breaker and seatbelt cutter for added safety. The price of this baby is just $29. Alright adventurers, hear me out, because this could be the only stove you'll ever need. Introducing the MSR WhisperLite Backpacking Stove, the ultimate camping stove for all outdoor enthusiasts. With patent-pending air control technology, this stove delivers hybrid fuel performance, allowing you to use canister fuel, white gas, kerosene, or unleaded gasoline. It's lightweight with an aluminum mixer tube and stainless steel legs, making it perfect for backpacking adventures. The canister liquid feed provides better cold weather and low fuel performance, and the self-cleaning shaker jet technology makes maintenance a breeze. In addition, it comes with a fuel pump, windscreen, heat reflector, and small parts kit, making it field maintainable. The price of this amazing stove is just $199. Leave the AAA batteries behind and enjoy unlimited light from the power of the sun with the BioLite Sunlight Solar-Powered Lantern. This personal and portable lantern features a 100-lumen solar LED light that can be charged during the day by the sun or at home via the micro USB port, providing up to 50 hours of dimmable light on low and 4 hours on high with its built-in rechargeable battery. But that's not all. With a full RGB color spectrum, including red night vision, you can set the mood at any campsite or backyard. The integrated sundial ensures optimal alignment to the sun for fast recharging, and the 360-degree kickstand allows you to hang, stand, or hold your light in any setup. The price of this reliable gear is a cheap $38. Tired of struggling with matches or traditional lighters in the great outdoors? Well, you need to try the UST Tech Fire LED fuel-free lighter, your ultimate fire-starting solution. This bad boy right here is lightweight, compact, and windproof, making it a breeze to ignite a fire in any weather condition. With its USB rechargeable battery and included paratinder wrist lanyard, you'll never be without fire or paracord. Just press the power button, expose the red core thread, and voila! Instant fire! In addition, it has a cool LED light for late-night campfire stories. The price of this is just $21. Alright adventurers, if you liked this video and found it valuable, don't forget to give us that thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to our channel and stay tuned because, as always, another great video starts right now. Thanks for watching.